Baban Dan Baba, I am tired. I will not use my precious time to go out and vote for anybody again. It is a waste.
Maman Hawa, you have started again.
No, it's not I started again. I am tired of promise upon promises.
Okay, you are right, because most of those you vote for are the wrong people.
Tell me those that are right.
So listen to me, Maman Hawa, and the good people of my noble state, Nasarawa. The solution to our problem is to vote the right candidate and political party with impeccable track that will take the state to the next level of development. That person is Alhaji Abdullahi Yakubu, Doya of NNPP. NNPP is one and only political party that have grassroots ambition to move the country and Nasarawa state forward. Therefore, let us come out and vote Alhaji Abdullahi Yakubu Doya of NNPP for governor. And Doya have good plan to move the state to the high level and compete favorably with other neighboring states. Doya is the answer to our prayers and dreams. This announcement is powered and supported by the good people of Nasarawa state.